What's up with you?
What's up? How are you?
Good.
Oh, good.
You can check them out.
Yeah. 75.
That's correct.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Look at them. They look good. Okay, so we just made it to the location. The location is whenever we make it to 1,000, we will do a face reveal and turn this channel all the way around. Yo, what's good, YouTube? We back with another video. I was already out. Somebody asked for a meetup, so I had to come all the way back home to come pick these up. Valentine's. Let you see it real quick. I don't know, there's not much to say. It's crazy I had to come all the way back home just to come get them, but can't beat money. So we're gonna go ahead and take these to the car and head to the meetup spot. Yeah, I've been talking to him for today, and hopefully it goes right. It was $25. I'm just joking. It was like $75. But yeah, we'll catch y'all when we start heading that way. Okay, so we just made it to the location. The location is it's not focusing. A Walmart. I'm gonna tell him I'm about a little security camera because he was asking about a public place, but I don't want to be up there doing it, so I'm gonna tell him to come to the back by the camera. But once again, these are the Valentine's 6s, I think. We are selling it for $75. I was already out, so I kind of had to go back to the house, so I can't give y'all a real look on them. But I don't know. We're gonna wait till it gets here. Once again, whenever we make it to 1,000, we will do a face reveal and turn this channel all the way around, make it even better than it is now. But when he gets here, I'm gonna turn this back on. Hopefully he lets me record. If he doesn't, it's just gonna be pointed down like that. But I don't know. I don't even know what he looks like. I think he's a Mexican guy. I don't know. We see when he gets here. All right. So he just sent a screenshot of his GPS saying he was gonna arrive at 8:01. It is 8 o'clock right now. I'm debating if I want to get out the car now or I want to wait for the suspense, I guess. But I don't know. We're gonna see what's to this, because I've been waiting like 10 minutes, no cap, and I do not like waiting. We're gonna see. Yeah, because I want to actually check the shoes, so I'm gonna check now. We ain't got no issue. Make sure it checks out. Make sure it check out right. Feel me? I don't know. I guess I'm gonna just sit out here and wait. But yeah, these are the Valentines. Okay, so now he said he here somewhere. He's somewhere around here. We're gonna see. I still don't see him. I sent him a picture of exactly where I'm at. He said, okay, bro. But now I've been sitting here for a little minute. I don't think it's this dude. This dude just got groceries. Oh, I got you. What's up with you?
What's up? How are you?
Good.
Oh, good.
You can check them out.
Yeah. 75.
That's correct.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Look at them. They look good.
Okay.
All right. You have a good one.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, drop in. Drop in. What am I dropping? Okay, that was a little awkward. That was a little awkward. Okay, that was a little awkward. I like to move locations quick. I don't like to stay in one spot for too long. But yeah, that was a little awkward meetup. It was like a 15-second meetup. It was not long at all. Yeah, he was definitely heavy Spanish speaker, as you can hear. Hopefully you can. But yeah, it was a quick flip, you know. But other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all later. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. You want more, like it, subscribe to the channel. Other than that, we are out.